This week's painting invites you to be inspired by Hera, the queen of the Olympian gods in Greek mythology. Hera is the symbol of beauty and feminine power. She is primarily associated with marriage, family, and childbirth. Hera was born to the Titans Cronus and Rhea. Despite being the sister of Zeus, her union with him was very turbulent because of Zeus's numerous affairs with the goddesses as well as mortal women. The beauty of Hera attracted Zeus to win her love. During a storm, Zeus transformed himself into a cuckoo bird seeking refuge in Hera's arms. Hera, charmed by the gesture, fell in love with Zeus and they soon married. Once married, Zeus's wandering nature led to heartbreak and resentment of Hera. Her jealousy began driving her to extreme actions. When Zeus fathered children with other goddesses and mortal women, Hera retaliated against his lovers and their offspring. As an example, she persecuted Hercules, the son of Zeus, from the mortal Alcmene, sending snakes to kill him in his cradle. Despite her unkind nature, Hera is also depicted as a protective figure. She often supported women and looked after those in need. Known for her aggressive loyalty, she was a formidable ally but also an enemy to those who offended her. Hera in art and literature is often portrayed as regal and majestic, adorned with a crown, holding a staff. She is commonly associated with a peacock, which symbolizes beauty and pride. While she embodies the strength and resilience of women, she also represents the darker aspects of jealousy and vengeance. On one occasion, at the wedding of Thetis, the sea goddess, with Pleius, a mortal man, Eris, the goddess of discord, was not invited to the ceremony. In retaliation, she decided to create chaos by tossing a golden apple inscribed with the word for the fairest into the midst of the celebration. This act immediately sparked a quarrel among the goddesses Hera, Athena, and Aphrodite. Zeus, who wanted to avoid the conflict, suggested to the three goddesses to seek the opinion of Paris, a Trojan prince, to determine who deserved the apple. Each goddess tried to bribe Paris with enticing offers. Athena offered him wisdom and success in battles. Aphrodite promised the love of the most beautiful mortal woman, Helen of Sparta, and Hera promised power and dominion over all of Asia if he chose her. Paris, who was persuaded by the promise of love, ultimately awarded the apple to Aphrodite. This choice prompted the wrath of Hera, who felt insulted and disrespected. Her anger towards Paris and the subsequent events led her to support the Greeks in the Trojan War by recruiting the help of numerous gods and goddesses. The conflict resulted in immense tragedy, including the destruction of Troy and the death of many heroes. Hera's cruel actions symbolize the far-reaching consequences of desire and pride. The simple act of choosing a goddess based on beauty led to a devastating war between Troy and Sparta. The story further emphasizes Hera's complexity, but also reflects the far-reaching consequences of how such minute issues as desire and beauty could lead to major circumstances. It is a fascinating story of destructive potential of jealousy and discord that has inspired many interpretations in literature, art, and modern culture. Your assignment this week is to feel Hera's love or jealousy for Zeus and paint how you feel, not necessarily the forms that you might imagine. If you wish to receive more videos of the same nature, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell. Thank you for your support of mythological paintings.